I made $8,111 in the past 30 days on TikTok Shop without having to post any videos and without having to spend any money on ads. Look, check out my store right here. So in the past 28 days, you can see we did $8,111.17, about 9K visitors. But most importantly, more than half of that came within the last 7 days. All right, so we're averaging $500 per day right now, and it's just picking up. Like today right now, we're at $743.41 already. So I think we're gonna end the day around $900 or so. Now, as I promised, I'm gonna break down exactly how I went about finding the winning products for this store. I'll reveal it to you actually. I'll show you exactly how I set up the TikTok shop for free without having to build a website, and I'll show you my strategy for getting organic sales without sitting there posting videos or showing your face or running any money on ads. The first step is we got to find our winning product. So what I did was about a month ago, I started browsing my Neum. All right, y'all know this is my secret weapon. I use this for all my product research. If you want a link to it, it's going to be down in the comment section below. All right. And on the first page here was this one product that stuck out to me, and it was this, black hair shampoo. So if you scroll TikTok, you're gonna see, like, for example, if you type black hair shampoo, you're gonna see a lot of people showing how to use this, basically trying to cover their gray hairs. I love this product because it was very low price, as you can see on CJ dropshipping. It's only $2.81, but in reality it comes out to about $18 with the shipping and the service fee. You can see I have a whole bunch of products. That's the thing with TikTok Shop. You don't have to make a one product dropshipping store like we usually do on Shopify. With this one, you can just throw a whole bunch of products on there and just see which one sticks. So I have a whole bunch of products here, as you can see, and I was just looking for something that had good margins, people were posting a lot about, which means they was gonna end up searching for it on TikTok Shop, and something that was very simple to sell, right? Now, the second step is, now that we had our main winning product and a few other products that I thought had potential, we had to just get the TikTok Shop set up. So the beauty about TikTok Shop is it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription like you usually do with Shopify. And all you gotta do is put in your email here and then follow the steps. If you want an in-depth tutorial on this, I actually made a absolutely free course. All right, I'll put that in the comment section below too. If you're subscribed to the channel, of course, then you're more than welcome. But check that out if you want to know how to set this up from A to Z. Another great thing about TikTok Shop is that after you get set up, you could go in and come into this growth tab. You could come into apps and services, and then you'll be able to connect CJ dropshipping, which is right here, as a fulfillment partner. So I'll be able to source this product directly from CJ. So whenever a customer places an order on my TikTok Shop, CJ gets notified, and as long as I pay CJ, they will ship it directly to the customer. This is absolutely flawless process, and it's very smooth and easy for you as the business owner. So this direct integration with CJ dropshipping allows me to waste zero time. All right, so it makes this business even more passive. Now, the third step, this is the fun part, right? This is where things get crazy. But before I forget, I want to make sure I announce the giveaway winner from last week's video. I'm going to announce that in the comment section below. If you want to enter this giveaway so I can build out your store for you absolutely free and pass it off to you, go ahead and comment down below TikTok Shop plus whatever question, comment, concern. You already know the deal. I'll pick one lucky person by next week's video, and you'll be able to get a free store from me. Now back to what I was saying about the products, right? So the main way to get products on TikTok is organically, and I think that's the best way because you have more margins. You don't have to go through the stress of inconsistencies with TikTok ads or Facebook ads, and it's just a lot easier, less time wasted, right? So what I did was this: you come into your marketing tab, and then you're gonna have another tab down here that's called promotions. The big thing with TikTok Shop right now is that because it's in the early stages, if you offer promotions on your products, what they're gonna do is boost your store's rank and boost your posting in the search bar. So when people come here and see videos of other people using this black hair shampoo, and they say, oh, you know what, let me check if they have it in TikTok Shop. The desktop version won't show it, but on the phone you'll have a shop tab where they'll see list of products and they could buy it directly from there. That's the beauty of TikTok Shop right now. There's not too much competition. So if you're seeing this video, you're lucky. I hope that you subscribe. And you also have high conversion rates. So what happens is the people see that you're offering discounts. TikTok loves that because they'll boost you to the top. And now every time they come, they're already in a buyer mood, and they'll end up buying with you because you're offering it for a great price, of course. And what ends up happening is this right here. As you can see, this is the past 28 days, and this is the breakdown. So in the beginning, I was just trying out a few things, posting videos, you know, just seeing what works, seeing what products I actually wanted to stick and get traction with. Something over here, something happened. And this is when I started using the promotions. After about a week in, I started using promotions and things just naturally and gradually picked up all on its own. I'm telling you, it might sound a lot simpler than you think, but that's really all there is to it. That's the strategy. Get the organic sales at first. I didn't use any affiliates. I didn't post any videos, didn't run any ads, and it was just very minimum effort. Like, I'm telling you, it's really that simple. So in a few moments here, I'm gonna break down the exact profits and how much I actually made out of the 8K in this past month. But I want you to imagine if you had like an AI bot, right? Imagine you had this robot where as long as you know which buttons to press, it'll print you out $500 every single day. How many times would you press that button? Right? So that's exactly what TikTok Shop is right now. I need everybody to pay attention to this because opportunities like this only come around every 3 to 4 years in my experience in this space. So what exactly is that button with TikTok Shop? Well, it's the reviews. It's your overall shop experience. Once you understand that algorithm and how it's actually working and how it's boosting up your product, you'll be able to leverage it and gain free traffic to your store. As you can see, even today alone, we have about a 6.7 conversion rate. If you're somebody that's familiar with like Shopify dropshipping, you know the average conversion rate is like 1.5%. If you get lucky, maybe 1%. So this goes to show that TikTok Shop is absolutely better than Shopify when it comes to converting people who are just interested into actual paying customers. And if I scroll down here, you're gonna be able to see that the store is starting to rank. And that's when I really started seeing things pick up in this past week, is because the store actually ranks. So TikTok has its own internal algorithms to rank your store. Now, I'm gonna tell you exactly the 3 metrics that they're gonna be looking for when you go ahead and start your TikTok shop so that you could get ranked fast and start getting these organic sales at like $500, $700 a day. I think we might even hit $1,000 a day soon. So you wanna come into your account health and then go into shop experience. And as you can see, this is our shop experience right now. Everything is very, very good. You can see our average rating for our store is 4.4. And TikTok Shop is actually gonna show this directly to the users as a level of whether they can trust you or not. And what I noticed is the more reviews that we got, the faster we were shipping out these orders, the faster we was processing them. That's what ranked our store even quicker. And I'm telling you, this is the very first month on my very first try opening a TikTok shop. Now let's break down the actual profits on this. What will actually happen is once you start making sales, they'll actually put a lot of your funds on hold for the first 30 days. All right, but you got to be able to stick it through. And honestly, it's a security measure, so they make sure that you're actually shipping out your products and you're trustworthy to TikTok platform. A breakdown of the payments from basically like the past month. This is like the first batch of payments I've gotten so far. About 3K coming into the account. Okay, out of that 3K, it was actually 4,500 in total revenue, right? So the customer payments was 4,329. There was platform discounts of almost $400. This is when TikTok offers a discount on them. You'll sell a product for about $30, but TikTok will give the user $10 coupon to use, and you actually get that reimbursed because that's TikTok paying for it, not you. Out of that 4,500 in revenue, there was about $181 in returns, which is not bad at all. All right, we had about $135 in referral fees. This is the fees that you pay to TikTok Shop itself. So think of this as like the Shopify payment fees. There was affiliate commission with this. That was initially when I was first trying out affiliates, and I owed them about 20 bucks. They didn't really do much for me. And then there's sales tax, which is about another $320. The delivery fee, I don't know what that is exactly. I'll find out. There was platform reimbursements here, and the reserves was another $418. That's just in case of a future emergency. Let's say people charge back. I believe that they're gonna release these funds at a later date too. That one was a big chunk of change, the sales tax, but overall 3K. Basically 3,600 is hitting my account right now. I'm starting to see all the profits. Based off of our Excel tracking sheet, our profit was about 22.5%. So if we do the math on that, I'll just add the numbers right here. It's about close to $2,000 that I took home in actual profits. So this is actually really good considering the amount of work that I put in. When it comes down to work, all I really did was I took the first day to find a winning product. Second day, I opened up the shop. Third day, I was kind of testing things out, and then that point where I started the promotions, things just gradually picked up on its own. I had my VA hop in there. He's fulfilling the orders, doing a great job at that. With the amount of work that I actually put in, $2,000 extra this month just for opening a TikTok shop is absolutely amazing. I think things are gonna actually continue to pick up. As you can see right here, we're at 723, and yesterday we had our highest day of 878. I think we'll surpass that today. But overall, TikTok shop is absolutely crushing it right now. Like I said, if you want access to my absolutely free course, which is only going to be free for a moment in time, go ahead and check that comment section out. I'll catch you on the next video.